Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to do a quick analysis on Ether and we will try to see how Ether can react in the future as cryptocurrency market is very volatile and things need to be understood in proper way. So previously I had done analysis on Bitcoin and I had given proper explanation of what kind of target do I have in the future. It's basically Bitcoin analysis was a long-term analysis, and I had given a target this should come in the future. So, like for the Ether, I have chosen from 30 minutes to daily chart, and I will try to explain what kind of target do I see on this particular cryptocurrency. So, let's see here. If I analyze it on 30-minute chart, then this is a basic trend line, and if you see it, then Ether is struggling very much here from 27.20, 27.30 dollars. It is struggling very hard and it is not able to cross this level since many days. So now, if I see on the 30 minutes, then what should we do? We shall sell Ether around 2700 to 2720, and for the target of 2650, 2640 for the immediate target, and other target should be 2550, which I should explain on the hourly chart here. If you see this box, then this is a consolidation box where Ether is struggling very hard and it is not able to break this level, which is 2720, and same we saw on 30-minute chart. So here, if this trend line, which is 2680, breaks and sustains, then we will see the first target 2650 as I explained on the 30-minute chart, and next target should be around 2550. So these two targets shall come in immediately in next 2 days something, most probably by Tuesday or Wednesday something. So this is the immediate target which I see on Ether. So 2650 and 2550 dollars is your first target on the selling side. So my suggestion is to sell around 2700 to 2720 for the same target. Now let us move to 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart has same story but a little higher time, and this is around 2880. But if I see this small trend line, then here same level, which is 2730, 2740, comes again on 4-hour chart, and Ether is struggling around this level. So 27 to 2720 is a very strong level to sell. So here in my target again on the 4-hour chart is 2550, and do remember that if Ether breaks $2500, then next target is $2250. So 2250 is the next target if Ether breaks 2500 with volume. So you should keep these three levels in mind, that 2650, 2550 is the immediate target, and if it breaks $2500, then 2250 in coming days. So in most important target is $2250, which we shall see in coming weeks. I'm not so sure how long it will take, but it will come around for 2250. Now let us see on the daily chart. Daily chart has same story, that Ether is struggling around this level and it is not able to break. It is consolidating around this box for so many days. So why I'm analyzing it on daily chart? Because I want to combine it with my Bitcoin analysis, as I had explained everything on the Bitcoin, that I have my target around $20,000 in coming months. I do not know how long it will take, but it will come around $20,000. So if Bitcoin comes to $20,000, then Ether and other currencies will definitely come for the same target. So if I talk about long term, then I target Ether at $1600. So we will see $1600 in coming months. It will take some time, certainly it will take time, but it will come around $1600. So you should keep in mind that as of now, any cryptocurrency, be it Bitcoin or be it Ether, will not go to make a new high, will not go to make a new breakout for the upside. So there is very remote chances that we will see upside rally. So and downside is very much open and very widely open. So we must understand that this time is not for the buying. You should avoid buying cryptocurrency. See, if you are a trader, if you are trading for the small points on the daily basis, then my advice is not for you, because you are a trader and you have your own view. I do not know how much how much points you target on your intraday trade. But if you analyze market for the longer term, on the longer time frame, and if you have a long targets, then my video will help you to make your decisions. To I'm not saying that you should trade on my advice, you should not follow blindly it, but it will certainly give you a clear picture why I am saying this, and you will see my labels in coming days. I shall give you an example that in the 2018, when Bitcoin made a high of $18,000, I had categorically said that you should sell Bitcoin and wait for the target of $10,000 and $5,000. When it comes around $5,000, then you can re-enter and you can buy. And it took time, but it came for the $4,700. So my all targets were achieved, and even now I'm very much certain that my target of $20,000 on Bitcoin and $1,600 on the Ether will come. But these very small target like 2650, 2550 and 2250, $2,200, this is a short-term trade which will take place in coming days. I believe that 2650 you will see today only, and 2550 maybe tomorrow or by Monday morning. So these are the levels which I target. You should keep in mind, and I hope you like the video. So please share with others, and please do subscribe my channel, so I can be motivated and I can make some other videos. So this is all for today. Thank you.